More than 5 million teeth are knocked out every year among children and adults. So if you lose a tooth due to an accident or injury, it doesn't mean it's lost for good. The important thing is to take the right action and get proper emergency care. So let's take a look at what you should do if a tooth is knocked out and how it can be salvaged. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and here's what you should do. Number 1, handle the tooth carefully. Try not to touch the root. That's the part of the tooth that was under the gum and it can be damaged easily. Number 2, if the tooth is dirty, hold it by the upper part and avoid the root surface and rinse it with milk. And if you don't have milk, then rinse it with water, but don't wipe it off with a washcloth, shirt, or other fabric, as this could damage the tooth. Number 3, keep the tooth moist. You can drop it in a glass of milk, and if you can't do this, then place the tooth in your mouth between the cheek and the gum. This will keep it moist, and if it's your child, he or she may not safely be able to store the tooth in his mouth without swallowing it, so instead, have the child spit into a cup and put the tooth in the cup with his or her saliva. If nothing else is available, put the tooth in a cup of water. The most important thing is to keep it moist. Number 4, try slipping the tooth back into the socket. Now, in some cases, it'll just slip in right away, but others, not so easily. Make sure it's facing the right way. If it doesn't go back in easily, don't put a lot of pressure. Put it in either milk or saliva and get to the dentist as soon as you can. The most important thing is to see your dentist immediately so the dentist can reimplant the tooth as soon as possible. This should occur within 60 minutes. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and these are suggestions for what to do if you knock out your tooth.